Hello, welcome to our series on SAP S/4HANA Financial Accounting and Controlling. In our previous video, we looked at how to create profit centers. In this video, we are going to look at how we can display these profit centers and also make changes to them. So we click on Manage Profit Centers. So here we get a list of all profit centers that have been created in the system, but we want to choose our own profit center, the one we created. To do that, you can specify a here, or you can scroll down when the profit centers are not a lot in the system. So here we have our well and facilities that we created. So you can click on it to further view it. So here it displays our profit center that we created for us. But if we want to make changes to it, we click on Edit. So Edit opens our cost center, our profit center app. Then if there are necessary or other changes that you want to make, for instance, you want to make changes to the name or the description, you want to add something more to it. For instance, the name of your menu. So we add that. If there are other details you want to add, like the address here, you can do that. Here it is linked to two company codes, 1010 and 1017. If you want to uncheck and leave only one, can do that, so that now it will be only linked to 1710. So after making all your necessary changes, click on Save. So it says Profit Center has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. We hope to see you in our next video.